what is Asian handicap betting, meaning and how it works. Asian handicap betting can look confusing because it removes or reduces some outcomes. The Asian handicap breakdown covers full, half and quarter lines, push possibilities, split outcomes, and why the market can feel unusual at first. The handicap creates a second score. Imagine the Eagles are playing the Wolves. If they win by 2 goals or more, the -1 selection wins, while the draw is removed as a selection. Asian handicap markets usually offer only 2 sides. A two-way market does not mean every wager must end as a full win or full loss. Zero handicap, the simplest version. The zero handicap is sometimes called draw no bet. If the match ends in a draw, the stake is normally returned. Whole number lines can produce a push. Whole Asian handicap lines include 0, +1, -1, +2 and -2. A push is not profit. Half goal lines remove the refund. A half goal line cannot create an adjusted draw because a soccer match cannot finish with half a goal. At +0.5, the selected team can win or draw. Quarter lines divide the stake. Quarter handicaps end in 0.25 or 0.75. They look like one line, but they divide the stake equally between two neighboring handicaps, -0.25. Suppose the Eagles are selected at -0.25. If the match is drawn, the zero handicap half is refunded, while the -0.5 half loses. +0.25. Now, suppose the Wolves are selected at +0.25. The stake is divided between 0 and +0.5, -0.75. A -0.75 handicap is divided between -0.5 and -1. If the favorite wins by 2 or more, both parts win. +0.75. A +0.75 line is divided between +0.5 and +1. If the underdog wins or draws, both halves win. Positive and negative are adjustments, not recommendation. A negative handicap normally belongs to the favorite. The signs do not mean one selection is good and the other is bad. Asian and European handicaps are not the same. Suppose a favorite is -1 and wins by exactly 1 goal. That is why the full market name must be checked, not only the handicap line. The time period is part of the bet. Asian handicap markets are often settled using regulation time, including stoppage time. Extra time and penalty shootouts may not count unless the market specifically includes them. The handicap and the odds do different jobs. An Asian handicap market displays both a line and a price. Two people can therefore choose the same team but need different winning margins. Technical settlements do not make the wager safe. Asian handicap betting can produce refunds and partial settlements. That does not remove gambling risk. The quickest way to read any Asian handicap: first, identify the number, then check the sign,